And it's a very good afternoon here on the 18th of September 2018. Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. And a very warm welcome into this video here where we are looking at this particular trade opportunity. This is money bars here on the live trading room. This trade is an excellent example of a trade that we have only needed to put 15 minutes of work in per day. Take a look at where we entered. It was actually on this particular bar just here. Now bear in mind that when we entered, we didn't have any of the other data which we now have. So if I were to take this all out, actually the honest truth is you wouldn't be able to see any of this that's already happened. The only data that we had was that green bar just there, and our prediction here on money bars was that this green bar would become a turning point in the market and that it would become a confirmed swing low, i.e. the goal of this particular trade was to catch the bottom of the market and allow the price to then travel upwards. And lo and behold, what happened over the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, you can see the price has progressed naturally higher and it's now heading up towards this dashed red line. This dashed red line is our profit target. At this point here, the broker will exit our position for a profit, and we can even look to see what profit they would exit the position for. Currently, you can see we have a floating profit of £1,624, and we are looking to exit for a profit target of £1,842. Now, bear in mind that that's a good sum of money, but the best thing about this, as I said before, and as we'll talk more about in live trading evening, of course, is the fact that this has been done with just 15 minutes a day worth of work. So whether it's a property portfolio holding or a full-time job, whether it is you're traveling on business, you can trade this market with just 15 minutes a day using this technique here. So as I said, we'll teach more in money bars, but this looks as though it's going to hit its target later on today. Currently floating at £1,620. We are only 16 pips away from hitting our target. Now remember, the other thing about this is the full automation. It is not that we need to be here actively to monitor this. That's not the case because all of the orders are in place. You can see here clearly the broker has a take profit level of 11727 already, and the current price is 11710. Now when this target level, if this target level is reached, the broker will exit our position automatically. We don't need to be by the screen. So that's really the magic behind this whole thing. So of course we teach more of this in live trading evening, and if you're attending live trading evening, you'll get more depth on this particular technique. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.